Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows update not installing error code KB5039211. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, check your internet working properly or not. Then open your setting. Click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshoot. In this you can see here Windows update. Click on run. Wait for completion. After completion, close this window. Go to the services. Search here Windows update. You can see here Windows update. Right click on this. Click on properties. Then select here automatic on startup tab. Then click on apply. Click on OK. After doing this, once you restart your laptop or PC, fix your problem. That's it guys. So in this video, fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.